This is a presentation brought to you by the Electives Network, the ultimate tool to help you plan your elective. Medical electives provide unique opportunities during your medical studies to gain hands-on experience. This can either be done through our organised elective providers or our database, which gives you the option to organise the elective yourself. Here are the basics to finding your perfect elective. Consider where you want to go. Selecting a country to carry out your medical elective can be a difficult choice. There are opportunities to practice medicine all over the world. The Electives Network provides detailed information on over 2,500 hospitals in 150 countries. Next, think about what area of medicine you want to study. The primary objective of humanitarian aid is to save lives, stop suffering, and maintain human dignity. It is also about helping those in need as quickly as possible. Medical management gives you a chance to understand the challenges faced by the medical professionals who work on improving the healthcare system. A trauma-based elective is possibly one of the fastest-paced medical specialities, which requires great observation and decisive action. It also varies across the world, depending vastly on the different criteria of each location. Adventurous electives are for those who want something amazing and unique from their elective. From wilderness medicine to working on a Fijian medical boat, Adventurous Elective offer a lot of excitement. You could work with Her Majesty's Prison Service. An elective here gives you the opportunity to work in the UK and provide healthcare in UK prisons. This can hold some of the most challenging patients you are likely to see, so the scope of healthcare and health education is enormous. There is also a growing set of opportunities to work in faith-based organisations. From delivering outreach health in India to missionary health work in Africa, these electives have a lot to offer. So how do you go about planning your elective? You must make sure to research your ideas in detail. Plan ahead as much as you can. Make sure you make plans in advance for as many eventualities as you can imagine. You should also make sure to look for funding to help support your elective. And finally, talk to other medical students or look at our student feedback section for any extra information that you may not have thought of. The Electives Network provides a web-based resource that is used by students all over the world and contains key information on every elective on our vast database of medical institutions. In short, the Electives Network provides you with all the information you need to start the elective planning process with an easy-to-follow format. We have detailed hospital profiles, and each profile contains key information, photos, and a detailed description of what to expect at that institution. We also list some hints and tips relating to each hospital on the profile. Check out our On the Ground tab, which also has key information about teaching and research opportunities. You will also be able to access feedback from previous students who have recently completed their elective at that hospital. Most importantly, you will find the relevant contact details for inquiries and applications to that placement. If you would prefer to have the hassle taken out of organising your elective, the Electives Network also has an extensive list of organised elective providers. These range from organisations based in the UK to those based in your elective destination. The Electives Network has many ways to search for your perfect placement. We think one of the best ways is to use our interactive planner. You can do this by using the when, where and what tabs to search all the hospitals we have listed to match your criteria. We also have a number of case studies on our site which help you find out more about the different hospitals on offer and also the types of experience other students have had around the globe on their elective. It's a great way to shortlist all the things you want from your elective, and it can also be an eye-opener about places that you would not have considered before. So if you're struggling, the case studies is the best place to look. So, how do you gain access to the Electives Network? Well, the good news is that access to all UK students is free through the MDU. So use your MDU membership number or register with the MDU, then go to the Electives Network website and follow the clear instructions on how to access your perfect planning partner. And remember, if there are any questions or queries you have about the elective planning process or about the elective itself, then contact the Electives Network team on Facebook, Twitter, and by email, and we'll do our best to help with all your elective needs.